police non-emergency.
Hello, my name is I'm a security officer for right next to the Gateway Airport here.
Oh, okay. And what's going on there?
I have a suspicious vehicle. It's a blue truck.
What's it doing exactly?
Well, he's driving around the property, and I asked him to leave it, and he didn't want to leave it first.
Was there a confrontation or any injuries, any weapons? No.
No. He didn't want to roll the window down for me at first, you know.
You said you're security?
Yes, I'm a security officer here.
Oh, okay.
And there must be nobody on property. And
in the vehicle that you're saying, did you want to trespass?
Oh, yeah. I don't know what's wrong with that guy, but he shouldn't be driving. He's either really, really drunk.
Oh, he's drunk?
Or he's really, really, he's either drunk or really high because his speech is real slurred. I didn't want to get too close because...
he's the only one there, though, right?
Yeah. When I asked him to roll the window, he didn't want to roll it down. I go, maybe he has a weapon in there, you know. So I kind of backed up a little.
Turning southbound on Sossaman Road. Officers conducted a traffic stop on the vehicle shortly after using their lights and sirens. Cameron did not stop initially, prompting officers to follow him.
Listen up. I need you to make smart decisions, okay? Just keep them out, both of them, out the window. Stop reaching in the truck, okay?
I see it. He's got a gun, back my pocket. Yep, it's in his hand.
How about you turn the truck off, Cameron? Keep your hands out. Keep your hands out.
He's already been yanking it out.
Oh, Jesus. He's starting up.
He's already been yanking it out.
Jesus. Get back. I'm hit.
After nearly 30 minutes, Cameron opened the door to the truck and exposed his legs and arms while keeping his head and torso concealed from the view of officers. Cameron refused to listen to directions to get out of the truck. Negotiations continued for a peaceful surrender.